Okay, so this is the 6th grade video for the student email tutorial. It's important that these are only 6th graders watching this video, as your email client is a little bit different than the 7th and 8th graders. I think because you're just a little bit better than they are. I'm not sure why. So here's what I need you to do first. You're going to go to Durant's homepage, all right, and then you'll scroll to For Students. Scroll down in the menu until you see Student Email Login. You'll get to this site right here. This is what it'll always look like. I'm going to borrow a student's credentials to log in here, but you're going to go ahead and put your username, which is a combination of your first initial, your middle initial, your last name, and possibly a number, and then your temporary password, which either myself or your teacher gave you. All right, and then go ahead and click Sign In. You'll see that it'll load up, and you'll notice that I am using Lauren's email address. Most likely your inbox is empty, and it will look like this. All right, so what I want you to do is click New, because you're going to send an email before you do anything else to make sure everything works. And I want you to send me an email using my email address. My email is lmiles2@wcpss.net. Give it a subject, and then type your message. All right. Once you have your message, and maybe you want to tell them who it is, all right, you click Send. If everything goes through, you're good to go. That was just a test. I'll get it. I might respond if you have something funny in there. Otherwise, it'll just come to me and I'll most likely delete it. Now, the important part is that we need you to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, you may not log in to your email for at least 15 minutes. In fact, I recommend you don't even log in until the next period or maybe even the next day. You need to give it time for your password to change over. So what you're going to do beside your name, you're going to click the drop down arrow and hit Preferences. So the drop down arrow and hit Preferences. All right, it'll bring up the Preferences window. Then you're going to click Security at the bottom of the menu. Click Change, and it's going to bring up this window. You're going to need to type in your old password, which was that random bunch of numbers and letters that either myself or your teacher gave you. Then you're going to enter your new internet password. This password must be the same password you use to log into the computer anywhere in Durant. So for example, puppy39, alligator72, dolphin06, whatever your animal and 2-digit number is, that's what you must use. So I'm changing Lauren's here. You're going to click OK. This window will pop up. It says your password change request has been submitted. You click OK. If anything different happens at this point, please call me over. All right. So once you click OK, you can close this window out. You can click OK. And then what I want you to do is go beside your name again, click the drop down arrow and choose Log Out. Do not log in again for at least 15-20 minutes, preferably even just tomorrow.